This is where the helicopters came to take me away. This is where the children used to play. This is only half a mile away from the attack. This is where my life changed in a day, and then it changed back. Buried in the din of rotor noise and close explosions, I do my best to synthesize the sounds and my emotions. This is where the Allies bomb the school, they say by mistake. Here nobody takes me for a fool, just for a fake. Later at the hotel bar, the journalists are waiting. I hurry back to my guitar while they're commiserating, and I'll be leaving soon. I'll be leaving soon.